In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time in Monday.com. Time tracking is really helpful if you want to understand how long tasks actually take, manage your workload better, or report on billable hours. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add the time tracking column to your board, how to start and stop the timer, and how to enter or edit time manually, all using the built-in tools in Monday.com. First, let's add time tracking to your board. Make sure you're in the main board view where you can see your items laid out in columns. Move your mouse to the right side of the column header area and look for the plus icon that lets you add a new column. Click that plus icon, then choose More Columns. This will open the full column center where you can search for different types of columns. In the search bar, type Time Tracking. When you see the time tracking option appear, click Add to Board. You should now see a new time tracking column added to your board, ready to start capturing time for each item. Next, let's look at how to start and stop the timer. Find an item you want to track time for and move across to the time tracking column for that row. Inside that cell, you'll see a small play button. When you're ready to begin working on that task, click the play button to start the timer. Monday.com will now track the time in the background while you work. When you're finished or taking a break, come back to that same cell and click the stop button to pause the timer. Each time you start and stop, Monday.com creates a new time session for that item, so you get an accurate record of your work. Sometimes you may forget to start the timer, or you might need to correct something. That's where manual entry and editing comes in. To do this, click directly into the cell in the time tracking column for the item you want to adjust. A small window will open showing your sessions. Here, you can add a session manually if you worked on something earlier and didn't have the timer running. Just enter the start and end time you want to log. If you already have sessions recorded and need to fix one, click the existing timestamp, then adjust the details as needed and save your changes. By combining the automatic timer with manual entries and edits, you can keep your time tracking accurate, flexible, and easy to manage inside Monday.com.